Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Spotify device limit ratio on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you go down, you click here on apps and you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Spotify app here in this is window. You just go down to find Spotify app and you click here on Spotify and you come to next window here like you say you just click here on full stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Spotify app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Spotify settings.